Welcome to this inner child holding and comfort meditation. Today, we are meeting and holding your inner child, the part of you that still remembers what it felt like to need tenderness, safety, and love. Your inner child lives in the subtle layers of your being, often speaking through your emotions, your body, your dreams, or the quiet longing for comfort and connection. By spending time with your inner child, you create space for deep emotional healing. You allow forgotten parts of yourself to be seen, heard, and held, often for the very first time. This meditation is an invitation to reconnect, to bring compassion where there may have once been confusion, and to offer warmth where there was once distance. There is nothing you need to do, only to be present with yourself, with softness and curiosity. Gently allow your attention to settle into your body. Let everything outside of this moment become quieter, softer, further away. Now, imagine standing in a safe and peaceful space. A space that feels familiar, comforting, and full of gentle light. You might see a garden, a childhood room, or a quiet place in nature. From a short distance, you see your inner child approaching. A version of you from a long time ago. Notice what they look like, their face, their posture, their energy. You don't need to say anything, just observe them with love. As they get closer, gently kneel down to meet them at eye level. Open your arms and offer them the chance to be held. If they wish, invite them into a warm embrace, the kind you always deserved. Let them rest in your arms and let them feel the steady love that lives in you now. Say softly in your heart, I see you. I hear you. You are safe with me. You never have to carry the weight alone again. I am here now and I am not leaving. You are so deeply loved. It's safe to be soft. It's safe to trust again. Allow these words to become a gentle rhythm between you. Stay in this space as long as you need. Hold them. Rock them. Simply be with them. You are rewriting the story just by being here. And when the time feels right, let your inner child know it can always return, that your heart is now a home they can live in. You are healing. You are whole. And this connection will continue to grow in softness and strength. Thank you for joining me in this meditation today. And so it is.